plus minus.
Kx into beta is minus kx beta. Minus plus minus. K into alpha is minus k alpha.
Kx into alpha is kx
Kx
alpha.
alpha.
Shabash.
Plus k alpha beta.
Now what's $1 million step in this proof?
When we took the coefficients of x square, here a and here k,
So,
that is
so my dear, actually we are here comparing the coefficients of the x square
Square
from
and
left hand side and right hand side में जो x square है इनको हम ये coefficients हम compare करें.
that is a x square is equal to k x square. We cancel here x square and x.
आपको यहाँ पर बताना है कि हम यहाँ पर coefficients को compare कर रहे हैं. इसका x square का coefficient है a, इस x square का coefficient
That
है
is a is equal to k. Now taking another comparing another x on both sides.
Compare with the coefficients of the x on the both sides.
We took here b and here is minus k beta plus alpha. That is b is equal to minus k beta plus alpha. This minus k is divided
So
here.
minus यहाँ पर multiply में है तो
It will
यहाँ
go
पर आ
on.
जाएगा
It will be divided here. B divided by minus k is equal to beta plus alpha. Now minus k is actually equal to k is equal to a. So we wrote here on the behalf of k we wrote here a. That is b divided by minus a is equal to alpha plus beta.
Because addition is commutative in nature, beta plus alpha को हम लिख सकते हैं alpha plus beta.
Beta minus b divided by a is equal to alpha plus beta. Here we got the sum of zeros. We proved it here. Now talking about the product of zeros, that is c divided by a. Here we took up the constant term c here in LHS and here RHS, that is k alpha beta. Now k will go on divide here. C divided by k is equal to alpha into beta. That is we have proved that k is equal to a here. We will write a here instead of k. That is c divided by a is equal to alpha into beta. That is proved that product of zeros is equal to c divided by a. Alpha into beta is equal to c divided by a.
Fantastic.